Hi guys, welcome to another podcast for MH Law CET 5 years examination. Today we have a Dia Chandwani from Gujarat, Vadodara, and she hit 120 score out of 115 MH Law CET 5 years examination. Dia, first of all, congratulations. Hello, hi, kaise ho?
Hi, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Okay, so how was your feeling after getting the score 120?
I was over, the feeling was over the top. I was so happy. I was not hoping that I will get that much, but at last I got it.
And what about your mom and dad?
They all were very happy because uh, they wanted me to get into a Maharashtra college and go through MHCT, and that's why they were also very happy that I got a 120 score. So it's the chances to get a good college increases, right? So they are
Great,
so
great.
happy with me.
ऐसा डर तो नहीं रहते अबे अब तो बेटी मुंबई चले जाएगी जीएलसी गुजरात छोड़ के?
No, 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 not at all, not at all, sir.
ओके ओके, आइडली ऐसा होता है इंडियन पेरेंट्स में
No, no,
कि नहीं
that
नहीं सर, मुंबई के आगे कोई भी कॉलेज में नहीं चाहिए, मुंबई में चाहिए, घर के बाजू वाला कॉलेज चलेगा. दिस इज व्हाट द फीलिंग इज. तो ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. आइडली इफ द स्टूडेंट इज गेटिंग गुड रैंक एंड अच्छा कॉलेज मिल रहा है तो डेफिनेटली उस कॉलेज में एडमिशन लेना चाहिए जो
yes,
इंडिया के
I'm
टॉप
very
लेवल.
fortunate in that matter.
हम्म. Okay, so Dia will start one by one. Before we proceed, want to uh, understand how this idea came in your mind कि law में अपना career बनाएंगे.
Sir, doing law, the first time when I wished that I want to do law was in eighth standard. In
Eighth
eighth
standard.
standard, we studied civics, right? And then in that also we studied about judiciary and constitution. And after that, when I read about constitution by myself, I was so amazed to see that how our forefathers have made that document. And then my interest in that will grew, and then at last I decided I don't want to do anything else but law.
Okay, okay. Very good, very good. Anyone in your family who is lawyer?
No, no, sir.
You will be the first one.
Yes, yes.
Okay, great. So let's talk about the preparation part. Before we jump to the preparation, want to understand your academic background.
Yes, sir. I come from Gujarat State Education Board. I have done my 10th and 12th as a Gujarat State student. And in 10th standard, I scored 81 percentage, and in 12th standard, I scored 83 percentage. And after 10th, I opted for commerce stream. So I'm a
Commerce.
commerce background student.
Commerce background student. Okay, great. So when you started your MSCT law entrance preparation?
Sir, I started my overall all exams preparation from 11th standard.
Okay, 11 से चालू कर दिया था. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So how many entrances you have appeared?
Sir, I have appeared for CLAT, ALET, SLAT, and MHCT.
So how many you have cracked?
I cracked SLAT and MHCT. In SLAT, I got Noida and Hyderabad, but I skipped going there, and then in MHCT, I got this 120 score.
So finally मुंबई चलेगा GLC
Yes,
या तो फिर
definitely.
ILS.
Yes, definitely.
Okay. So you joined us for the mock program and CET Heist program.
Yes, sir.
So how these program help you?
Because of Sapnil sir, my basics got clear. I was clear with basics, but I was able to solve it very quickly. And there was one uh, concept called inequalities. I was not able to do it before, but after I attended the class by Swapnil sir, and after that I till now I have not got any questions incorrect of that concept.
Okay, inequality.
Yes. And
Okay.
likewise, also in GK, I was very afraid of GK first. Then, when I attended that lecture, after that, I made notes of all the things that were, even if it were history, then current affairs, then I made note of that and did a little bit of research, and then I was able to do good GK also.
Okay. Okay. And you mentioned that you have joined for the mock. So how was your mock experience?
It was also very good. I was able to get a good score in my mocks also. It was my consistent score. At first, when I gave it, I was scoring between 100 and 10, 110, 115. But at the end, when the exam was near, I was scoring in the range of 120, and at last I also scored 120 dot, means dot of one more marks more or less. It was
Okay.
same
Okay.
120.
Okay. So what are the hurdles you came across while you were preparing all these sections?
uh, 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 if I talk about overall MHCT preparation, firstly, I was very demotivated by my CLAT and ALET results because I was hoping that I will get that, but after that, if when I didn't get that and I didn't get a good rank, I was very demotivated. I thought कि अभी तो MHCT भी नहीं होने वाला है, इतना ट्राई किया और MHCT in that MHCT I am also an OMS student, so it will get more harder, more difficult, and then I was really demotivated. I just gave up. But because of my family support, they helped me to कि नहीं you should do it, कर ले थोड़ा prepare कर हो जाएगा. Then I decided कि नहीं, let me give more attention to MHCT. Then I started. Then as I started, I really got nervous about GK because in every exam I scored less because of GK section only. In
Okay.
no matter whatever it is, even it is SLAT, CLAT or ALET, I was very bad in GK. So I thought कि इस बार तो मैं छोड़ ही दूंगी. Then maths. But as I joined you guys, then I watched the videos, I made notes, I practiced, and then I was able to feel.
Oh,
I was confident before going for my exam. Actually,
okay. Okay. All the videos you must have watched, GK
yes,
ka, GK boosters and
yes,
everything.
yes.
Okay, great. If what do you think? What are the mistake you have done in the real exam,
In
which you should
real
not?
exam, in real exam, I would say the paper was very easy. I should have checked more number of times, and I would have done a silly mistakes in my exam. If I would have spotted them, then I could have scored above 120 and get my score till 125. So
Okay.
I think that's a mistake.
Okay. So if you compare maneuver mock test and the CT real exam, what differences or the similarity you have realized?
The mock test by manual was bit on a difficult side, and as we know that this time paper was an easier side, but
Mhm.
overall the difficulty level of manual was higher, and because of that I was able to solve the question quickly in in my real exam.
Okay. Okay. So being a commerce background, कितना difficult हुआ law entrance prepare करना? ऐसा
Uh,
कुछ impact था या it was like a
no, I didn't feel any impact, sir, because I was consistent with my with my board studies, with my preparations. I was not facing any problem with that.
okay. Finally, last question. What tips or the suggestion you want to give to upcoming year aspirant?
Uh, I would say prepare your best, do your best, and you have to be motivated. You have to motivate it. Even if you get some exams wrong, then that's your destiny. And even and all the exams are equally important. Don't think that this is not an important exam because this college is it. If they are taking the exams, they are going to be good colleges. We are going to get good toppers here, and then the surroundings also is going to be great. So we have to work hard on every exam, focus on every exam and not on a particular type of exam. And then you will be able to crack it.
Okay. So basically you should not write only one exam, at least
Yes.
2-3 exams you should appear for because syllabus wise more or less it is same only.
It's same.
Number of questions if jump करते हैं,
And
changes होते हैं.
question types, somewhat the question types are also changes.
Change.
But we should be hopeful that we are going to clear it. If we
Correct.
work a little bit more harder.
Correct. And obviously you should start your early preparation.
Yes. Early preparation always helps.
Always help. Okay. So guys, this is what from Divya side, she explained her way of preparation strategy, her journey towards the preparation, what are the obstacles he came across, and hurdles basically, and real exam की feeling, mock की feeling, section wise feeling. I hope इतने सारे podcast देखने के बाद जितने लोग prepare कर रहे हो upcoming year aspirant, you will be much more I mean all kind of a doubts must be clear after watching all these podcasts. So do watch all the upcoming podcasts which are coming up, and definitely it will help you to crack your entrance exam and to get one seat in top law colleges in India. thank you, Divya, coming and joining and sharing your experience with regards to your preparation. All
Thank
the
you,
very
sir,
best
for
for your
your
career.
help.